Google Nano, Banana AI, the future of image editing. Full Guide 2025. Introduction. In the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence, 2025 has brought one of the most exciting breakthroughs in digital creativity. Google Nano Banana AI, the code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash image. This next-generation model is transforming how we edit, blend, and generate images, unlike earlier high tools that struggled with consistency and realism. Nano Banana introduces a smoother, faster, and more reliable way to reimagine visuals. Whether you're a casual user who wants to swap a background in seconds or a professional editor seeking production quality results, Nano Banana represents a true leap forward. This guide explores everything you need to know: what Nano Banana is, its features, how to use it, its benefits and limits, and why it matters for the future of creative work. What is Google Nano Banana AI? Nano Banana is Google DeepMind's latest image editing and generation model, released under the Gemini family of AI systems. Technically, it's Gemini 2.5 Flash image, but its playful codey name quickly caught on in media and user communities. It's available through the Gemini app, Google Hi Studio, Vertex AI, and via API for developers. The key vision behind Nano Banana is simple: make image editing effortless, realistic, and interactive. Unlike traditional software, where every edit requires manual tools, masks, and brushes, this AI allows you to describe what you want in plain language and get results instantly. Key features of Nano Banana. 1. Subject consistency. One of the model's biggest strengths is maintaining the same character or object across multiple edits. For example, if you edit a selfie by changing outfits, locations, or poses, Nano Banana preserves your face and body structure with impressive accuracy. Earlier tools often distorted details over repeated edits. This model reduces that problem dramatically. 2. Multi-image fusion. Nano Banana can combine elements from multiple images. Imagine blending a photo of yourself with a separate beach scene, or merging your pet's picture with a fantasy background. The model intelligently aligns lighting, perspective, and scale to make the composite look natural. 3. Natural language edits. You don't need to know technical terms. Phrases like remove the lamp in the corner, change the sky to sunset, or make the jacket red are enough. The AI understands instructions and applies them to the right parts of the image. 4. Speed and responsiveness. The flash in its name isn't an exaggeration. Most edits and generations happen in under 30 seconds, making it ideal for iterative creativity. You can test, refine, and experiment quickly without long waits. 5. Style and world knowledge. Nano Banana isn't limited to photorealism. It can adopt artistic styles, illustrations, cartoons, cinematic tones, or vintage looks. It also understands cultural and environmental context, so placing someone in Paris at night or recreating Renaissance-style portraits feels natural. 6. Watermarking for safety. Every output includes both a visible watermark and an invisible synthetic digital watermark. ensuring AI-generated images can be identified. This balances creativity with ethical safeguards against misuse. Access and pricing. Gemini app mobile and web. Easy access for everyday users. Google AI Studio best for experimenting and testing. Prompts. Vertex AI enterprise grade. Integration. Gemini API developers can build Nano Banana into apps and services. Pricing is token-based. A typical image costs, say, few cents to generate, making it affordable for individuals while scalable for businesses. How to use Nano Banana effectively. Here's a step-by-step approach for beginners and professionals alike. 1. Choose your platform. Use the Gemini app for casual edits or High Studio if you want more control. Developers should go for the API. 2. Prepare inputs. Upload a clear, high-quality photo if you're editing. For multi-image tasks, ensure the images have compatible lighting or perspective. 3. Craft your prompt.be specific. Instead of make it nicer, try brighten the background, add sunset colors, and keep the subject unchanged. Clear instructions, reduce errors. 4. Use iterative editing. Make small, focused changes, step by step. Nano Banana handles multi-turn edits, well, letting you gradually refine the result. 5. Blend and transfer style. When combining images, mention scale and lighting. Merge photo A with photo B, keeping shadows consistent. For style transfers, specify apply watercolor texture from image B onto the jacket in image A.
6. Review and export. Always double-check results. While the AI is powerful, details, like shadows or reflections, may need reruns for perfection. Real-world use cases. Fashion and lifestyle. Virtual try-ons, outfit swaps, or hair. Color experiments.
Travel and background changes. Place yourself in famous locations or seasonal settings. Social media content. Quick memes, themed edits, or collaborations with friends. Restoration. Repair old or damaged photos. Recolor black and white images. Marketing. Brands can test visuals, mock-ups, or campaign imagery without full photo shoots. Limitations to keep in mind. Distortions after many edits. Repeated changes on the same subject can eventually introduce artifacts. Lighting mismatches. If blended images differ too much in perspective or brightness, results may look unrealistic. Overstylization. Strong filters can sacrifice realism if not balanced. Ethical concerns. Deepfake misuse remains a risk, especially with celebrity likenesses. Google's watermarking helps, but responsibility lies with the user. Commercial use rules. Always review Google's licensing terms before using outputs in business contexts. Best practices. Use except phrasing. Change the outfit, except for the shoes. Always describe style, lighting, and mood for clarity. Use reference images to ground results in specific textures or backgrounds. Match resolutions and aspect ratios when blending multiple images. Iterate in small steps rather than requesting huge transformations at once. Why Nano Banana matters? Nano Banana AI is more than just another editing tool. It signals a shift toward natural language creativity, where anyone, regardless of design skills, can direct complex edits with a sentence. For professionals, it reduces repetitive tasks, freeing them to focus on high-level vision. For everyday users, it makes powerful editing fun and accessible. At the same time, it raises important questions. How do we maintain trust in digital imagery? How do we balance innovation with safety? With built-in watermarking and enterprise integration, Google is trying to address these challenges proactively. The road ahead. Looking forward, we can expect Nano Banana to evolve with even greater subject fidelity across long editing chains, more advanced 3D and video editing capabilities, integration into Google Photos and other mainstream apps, wider adoption by third-party creative platforms. Ultimately, the line between professional photo editing and AI-assisted creativity will blur. Instead of replacing human imagination, Nano Banana acts as a powerful partner, speeding up workflows and opening new creative doors. Conclusion: Google's Nano Banana AI Gemini 2.5 Flash Image represents a pivotal moment in image editing. With its speed, natural language interface, multi-image blending, and subject consistency, it empowers everyone from hobbyists to professionals. Like any tool, it requires mindful use and ethical awareness, but its potential is enormous. In 2025 and beyond, Nano Banana is shaping a future where creativity is more accessible, collaborative, and limitless than ever before.